Hi all, I'm back with a new video in my channel. Today I'm going to show a gadget. Nowadays everyone is much needed. During this pandemic, everyone is working from home. And today I'm going to show one of the work from home essential for those who are working from home. That is nothing but a webcam. Everyone have a laptop, but some people don't have a webcam. Those who are try to attend the meetings and Skype calls. I am the one of them, those having that issues. For that I bought a new webcam, which is Logitech, and it's a HD webcam. Today now I am going to unbox this and show how to configure to my MacBook. It supports both Windows and Mac, but now I am showing with my MacBook Pro how to connect and how to access this webcam. Yeah. Uh, okay. It's certified for the Skype, and it's a Microsoft Business also. Now I am showing the model B525 HD webcam. Coming to the box, inside the box, whatever we get inside the box, directly I'm getting this webcam, which is this USB port, and this is the webcam. See how it look like. Now I'm going to connect with my MacBook Pro, and I'm going to show how it going to work. Apart from that, I have some papers which I got some user manual and how to connect all these things. Based upon this, I'll do some settings and I'll get back to you. Thank you. Now I just connected with my MacBook Pro this HD cam. I just want to tell you one more thing about this Logitech webcam. And one more special feature this webcam has, it's a 360 degrees rotate. We can rotate this cam around the 360 degrees like this. After connecting this, as per the user manual, I need to go to this Logitech support page, and I need to download the required software to run this. This is where I have downloaded my this software. It's already downloading. After downloading, how can we access? I'll show you. I have just installed this camera setting app successfully. Now I am going to open this, and I'll show how it's going to work. You can see my image in my computer. I have installed this Logitech successfully, and now I'm going to show this firmware and features of this. This is the white screen. And coming to the image features, there are two modes in this cam. One is standard mode and one is widescreen. Right now you are viewing me in the standard mode. Now I am going to toggle this standard mode to the widescreen mode. You can find the difference. See, this is the widescreen mode. Again I am going back to standard mode. This is the standard mode. This is it for this video, and I'll be back with some other video which is useful. Thank you for watching this video.